Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Here in this video I want to quickly show everyone on how to download and install completely the SAS Planet, which is a GIS software. So just to get your software freely and installed without issues, all you have to do is to come to your Chrome. Okay, you come to your browser on your system, so make sure your system is connected to an active internet. Then you come to the search box, then you type in SASGiS, that's the SASGiS, and you click on enter. So you are going to see this popping up. However, under the video description I'm going to drop the download link directly in case you want to download directly from your phone and set your PC for installation. Alright, so you click on this first link here. So the default language on this website is in the Russian language. Alright, so if you want to change it or translate it to the English language, you click on this first link here that ends with 09. You click on that. Then here you are going to see the pop-up Russian, English. Then you check on English. So you can see it has now changed to the English language. Alright, so to download the latest version, this is 2023 version. Alright, you come to program download here, you click on that. Then you can see the latest stable version is the version 230909, so you click on that. So you just need to come to your downloads under your browser, and it is already done. So it is just 15.8 MB, so it's not too much. So you can now click on the show in folder, or let me put it in a folder. Okay, so you copy or you cut. Alright, so I'm just going to cut and paste it under my setup folder. So I'm going to see it below. So this is it here, the SAS Planet 09. Alright, so you click on it, you right click, then extract to SAS Planet so that it can be a folder. So you scroll up to see where the folder is. So here it is, the folder. You open it, then you scroll down to SAS Planet. This is the application setup. Alright, so the beauty of following me on this channel is I will give you the complete installation guide. Alright, because if you are to install it this way, you right click and you run as administrator. So you are going to see this option popping up on your system. Then you click on more info, then you click on run anyways, then you click on yes. So you'll be having this error code, okay, unable to load maps, and it's going to abort. Even if you cancel your OK, it will not be able to load the software for you. So to solve that problem, you go back, then you load in the SAS Planet patch. So I will be dropping this patch under the video description in case you have that issue. All you have to do is to copy this patch here, the patch SAS Planet apps. Alright, you copy it, then you scroll to the folder of the SAS Planet that has been extracted earlier. You come to maps, you come to SAS maps, click on that, then you paste the SAS patch here. Alright, so when you paste it here, you click on it, you extract, then you extract here. So that is just how to solve that issue. Then all you have to do is to come back to the SAS Planet application, you right click, then you run as administrator, then you click on yes. So the issue will be solved immediately and completely, and you will see your software popping up and loading on your computer. So that is just it. It is easier. Make sure your system is connected to an active internet so that it can load all features for you completely. Please, if you have watched this video to this extent, do well to hit on the subscribe icon and turn on your notifications so that you can keep getting up-to-date trainings and videos in the geospatial world. Thank you. So here you can download a very high resolution satellite image. This is one of the major things the SAS Planet can do. So you can download Google Earth imagery of high resolution. All right, a very high resolution satellite maps. All right, so that is just it. So you can load and go to your region of interest. So this is more like a Google Earth Pro, but this will give you a very clearer view of the world, okay, in high resolution. So that is just it. In subsequent videos, I'm going to drop how to download satellite imagery of any region in the world in the course of those videos. So you can see, let me just load in, so you can see how, how sharp and how neat it is. All right, and this is actually with respect to the coordinate system of this region. All right, the reference system of this region, so you won't have any cause for alarm in georeferencing and all that. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time.